This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, February 15th. Stock index futures now higher for the fifth day. No apparent reason as far as I can tell other than we are seeing some short covering after a lot of traders, I believe, turned very negative on that downdraft that we had more recently. Also, the economic reports today, and there were quite a few, seem to be a bit on the weak side overall, and yet futures are performing very well today. So even though we did see a very severe break not that long ago, I do believe that we are not in the beginning stages of any type of new bear market. In fact, there is, from what I can see, no bear market on the horizon for the indices. Moving over to the currencies, the dollar index lower now for a fourth day, and the euro currency higher for a fourth day. The dollar lower, even though there is more talk that the Fed could be raising rates. Some analysts are saying 4 times. I'm still going to have to go with 2, probably 3. But it seems a little unusual that the dollar would be weaker, as more analysts are talking about more rate hikes from the Fed. That in itself should be viewed as a sign of weakness if the dollar cannot advance on bullish news or bullish commentary. Also, we are seeing the yen at a 15-month high against the US dollar. And quite often the yen is the leader of the foreign currencies, so it still looks like the dollar will generally underperform with what I am seeing. Interest rate markets mixed. The bonds are higher at the long end, the short end lower, or at least short end futures are lower. Nothing changing in my long-term view. Still thinking that the entire complex is likely to work lower. And with the rally today that we are seeing in the bonds, I think this is a good opportunity to come in on the short side of the bond market. It was not that long ago we saw some multi-month lows in the bonds, and I do believe that these lows will be, in the short run, revisited. So continue to trade the interest rate futures from the short side. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.